Friday and welcome back to today's video. In today's video we're going to be going through the answers for your arithmetic, so let's get into it. So the first question is 482 take away 400. So we can see that in our original number we have 4 in the hundreds column and we are taking away 4 hundreds, so we are left with 82. Number 2, 5 twelfths take away 1 twelfth. Well, we don't take away the denominators, so it's 5 take away 1 and we are left with 4 twelfths. Alternatively, you could divide both the numerator and the denominator by 4. So the numerator divided by 4 is 1, the denominator divided by 4 is 3. So 4 twelfths or 1/3, those two are equivalent fractions. Number 3 is 6,241 add 2,676. So I'm going to do that using the formal written method. One add 6 is 7, 4 add 7 is 11, 2 add 6 is 8, add 1 is 9, and 6 add 2 is 8. So the answer is 8,917. Number 4 is 72 divided by 1, and if you're dividing any number by 1 then you've got the number that you started with, so it's 72. Number 5 is 279 times 6, so we're going to do that using the formal written method. 9 times 6 is 54. 6 times 7 is 42, add 5 is 47. 6 times 2 is 12, add 4 is 16. So the answer is 1,674. Number 6 is 5/6 of 42. So we first need to find out what 1/6 of 42 is and then multiply that by 5. So to do that we do 42 divided by 6, because 6 is our denominator. So 42 divided by 6 is 7. 7 multiplied by 5, because 7 will be 1/6 of 42, but we want 5 of them. 7 multiplied by 5 equals 35. So 5/6 of 42 is 35. Number 7 is 59,302, add 3,469. So we need to be careful with our place value here because we are adding a 4-digit number to a 5-digit number. So 59,302, add, and then we've got 3,000, so we put that in a thousands column, 4 hundreds, 6 tens, and 9 ones. 2 add 9 is 11, 0 add 6 is 6, add 1 is 7, 3 add 4 is 7, 9 add 3 is 12, and 5 add 1 is 6. So the answer is 62,771. Next one is 80,000 take away 500. Now some of you will be able to do this in your heads because 500 is half of 1,000, and if we were to take 1,000 away from 80,000 we'd have 79,000, so take away half of that and we'd have 79,500, but we'll just check using the formal written method. So 0 take away 0 is 0, and then we can't exchange from our hundreds or our thousands column, so we go into our 10,000s column. Then we can exchange from our thousands column. 10 take away 5 is 5, 9 take away nothing is 9, 7 take away nothing is 7, so that's 79,500. Next one, number 9, is 720 divided by 9. Well, if we do 72 divided by 9, that's 8. So 10 times that is going to be 80, because 10 times 72 is 720, 10 times 8 is 80. So 720 divided by 9 is 80. Number 10, 0.37 multiplied by 10. Well, when we multiply, our digits go to the left, and when it's by 10, it's by 1 space. So our 3 moves 1 space to the left, and our 7 moves 1 space to the left, and we're left with 3.7. Number 11 is 7/8 take away 1/4. So we can straight away see we've got different denominators. So we need to make our fraction into the highest denominator, which is 8. So we need to make 1/4 into 8ths. And to do that we multiply by 2. And whatever we do to the bottom we do to the top. 1 times 2 equals 2. So then we've got 7/8 take away 2/8. which equals 5/8, and 5/8 is the simplest form of that fraction. Number 12, the last one, is 1/3 multiplied by 8. So hopefully you've learnt from your work this week how to do that nice and easily. So we don't multiply the denominator, or we do, but we multiply by 1. So 1 times 8 equals 8. So that would be 8/3. So we can leave it as an improper fraction, or we can change it into a mixed number. And to do that we do 8 divided by 3. Well, there are 2 lots of 3 which go into 8, because 2 times 3 is 6. So our whole number is 2, and we've got 2/3 left over. So either 8/3 or 2 2/3 is your answer. So that's it for today's video. How did you get on? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you do want to get in touch with us, then we are always available on the email address. It doesn't have to be about maths, it can be about anything that you want to, even if it's just to say hello. I hope you have a lovely weekend, and I will see you on Monday with another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.